Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. There's a link down in the description, or you can find it on Amazon. It's like today we're doing puzzle 144. Let's start with this box. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 9 here. So this is our 5, 9, 7. To finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 there. So 4, 3. For this box, looks like we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 5, 6. For this column now, we're missing a 1 and a 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing a 4 and a 9. Got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so 5, 6. Same here, 5, 6. Got the 2 here. So 5, 6, 9, and the 9 here. So 2, 5, 6. But now if we look, the only place our 9 can be in this box is there, and the only place our 2 can be is there. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here. So 5, 6 here. So 8, 6. In this box, looks like we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here. So 7, 1. For this column now, looks like we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 there. So 3, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and a 6 here. So 5, 8. 6 here. So 4, 5, 8. 6 and 8 here. So 4, 5. If we work on this row, looks like we're missing 2, 4, 5, 6. We've got the 2 here and a 4 here. So 5, 6. Still this 2. So 4, 5, 6. 6 here. So 2, 4, 5, 6 here, 2 and 4. So this has to be our 5, and that makes this our 6. And so that means this is our 4 and our 2. That 4 makes this our 5. So this is our 8, 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 5. That 8 makes this our 7, 8. All right, for this box now, looks like we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 there. So 1, 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here. So 3, 4. this column then, we're missing a 1 and an 8. We've got an 8 here. So 1, 8, and that 1 comes over here, makes this our 5, 1. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so 5, 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so 7, 5 here, so 6, 5. To finish out this box, we're missing a 9. And for this box, we're missing a 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.